about Python learning, and this is a course about multi-thread in Python. Some basic knowledge about multi-thread in Python. Multi-thread is a useful tool to deal with L-bounding problems, but not very useful, but it's a simple way. Let's see our first example. Yeah, I want to mention here, yeah, this video will just introduce the start method of the multi-thread. Here's the first example. We introduce a threading model, the model threading. We define a function here, for function. We print something here. We let I iterate from 0 to, if x is 10, we will just iterate from 0 to none. Print something. Name of the current thread. Then we print I, print the parameter y. X is a positional argument, and y is a key value argument. Let's see how to start a thread. Here, make an instance of the threading part thread. Then we call the start method of this instance. But look at this one. I think this one is it's too long. We got 78 column here. Let's tell you something that you never, when we read code, when we do the Python code, we should always control our eye just scan the word from top down, never scan from left to right. We scan the word from left to right, it means that this line is too long. We should break it here, break it down, break here. Let's run and see. See, just as what we mentioned here, that the two threads run each one after the other. Let's see the argument why we created this instance. We gave him a name AA, and this name is the name of the child thread. Here, AA and BB. The name of the child thread. Target. The target is the function that we want the child thread to run. The function for. Args is a positional argument. Key args is a keyword argument. This example is very easy, and I will show the usage of join. We give this the instance a name T1. Then we call T1 start, and the one called T1 join here. From the output, we could see that this file code, this thread, won't be processed until T1 got terminated. T1 point join will block here until T1 is terminated. Let's see what we will pass a timeout parameter to this join. We give him a timeout 2 seconds, and 2 seconds is not enough for T1 to terminate. T1 at least will take 3 seconds to terminate. See, we won't got an exception here. Yeah. This function join, just wait, either got the timeout or T1 is already terminated, and then we will return. And this line of code got this possessed. We could see that when join returned, T1 still alive. T1 alive. It's true, yeah. Or even gonna give him a 5-second timeout. Yeah, T1 point is alive, is false. That means T1 is already terminated. Let's see our second example. The second way to start a method. We define a class, a subclass for threading part thread. We could just rewrite two kind method of the parent class, the init method and the method run. We did the same thing as we did in our first example. The init method we got seven arguments, two positional arguments, and one key value argument. Remember, you should always call super, yeah, the init method of the parent class. Run. This function run is what we did in our for. This function for here. We did the same thing. We create two instances of the class for. Yeah, this class of the threading thread, the subclass of threading part thread. Parameter, the name of the thread, and the X and Y. Run and see. We just got the output the same as our first example. Usually we won't pass this parameter here. Yes, we don't care about the name of the thread. Yeah, the default name of the thread is thread 1, thread 2. The default name looks very good. Well, thank you very much. That's the best knowledge of the multi-thread. See you next time. Bye-bye.